दोस्तों सचिन बिरला this side. So let's see what the market is saying after 2 days of rally. आज हम लोग देख सकते हैं थोड़ा softening in the market, the gap down opening. And if you see in the Nifty chart, which we have mentioned earlier, this will serve as a resistance around 435, 470 will serve as a resistance. Any break above this level can trigger a fresh buying up to 18,050 level. So this in coming down, if market opens gap down, yes, definitely it will open a gap down. So 244 and then the low of this harami candle, ultimately 16780 serve as a very crucial support level. If we see day chart, so in the day chart, we can see there is a cluster breakout. There was a cluster breakout in the Nifty able to cross all the moving averages, 100, 50, 21. And then this will serve as a 219 to 240 will serve as a support because it is a cluster support. And after this support, there will be a support around. After this support, I think there will be a support around 17,000. So 17,000 is a psychological level which should be intact. Now let's see hourly chart. In hourly chart, we get some clue. In hourly chart, we had a gap which Nifty filled, but there was still left. If we would have seen 20-25 पॉइंट की और रैली आती तो गैप वुड हैव कंप्लीटली फिल्ड. थोड़ा सा एक सपोर्ट 320, बट वो 320 आज टूट जाएगा. देन द सपोर्ट इज अराउंड 150 160 इन द आर्ली चार्ट बिकॉज देयर इज अ गैप इन देयर. 150 160 will serve as an intraday support. And then on the weekly chart, yes, Nifty is showing the lower lows pattern. There is a evening star, so definitely in the weekly chart it is not very bullish. The ultimate support lies at here around 16,600 700. So any bounce should be used for selling, not for buying. So let us see how the Nifty opens up. See day chart. So there is only 1 minute left for the Nifty to open. Let us see what will be our first reaction towards the Nifty opening. See guys, when Nifty opens, don't trade for the first 15 to 30 minutes. First 15-30 minutes, let the market settles and then only get into some trade, because first 20 minutes the position gets wind up, position gets build up. There are a lot of block deals, call deals. So give market time to settle and then put your trade. So here is the first trade. 240 comes exactly at the cluster support level. So now we are heading downwards to 22 218. So we will see up to here. अगर आप hourly chart हम लोग देखें, let's see hourly chart. So in hourly chart, we have seen definitely gap down and it is perfectly at its support level 200, and then it can touch 150. In the intraday, it can definitely touch 150. So in hourly chart, we are getting the red candle for first 5-10 minutes. Let the market settle and then we can initiate some trade. So we will meet after the market and we will see post market analysis. Thank you.